Hello guys, welcome back to another video. My name is Dutala and today I'm gonna talk about how to sound like Tame Impala. So this is a song that I've made, and when I showed it to my friends they said it sounds a bit like Tame Impala-ish. A lot of them had this experience. So I was like, why don't I make a video about it? Maybe some people do want to know how to get that sound. So let me start. Let me give you a glimpse of the song. Here it goes. Wait up. Yeah. Alright, so yes, this song is unreleased and this is how it goes like up till that point. Let's talk about it. So what I've done, I'll show you what I've done in the first half of the song. So basically the song starts with 2 drum fills. The drum comes in and then you have that synth. So for the synth what I've used is just like as soon as the drums drop in, it's like a filler. The synth goes like. So this thing I've achieved through just a simple analog lab presets by Zap Factory and just playing with the effects and all that. That's how you get it. Alright. Next thing we have is keys. The keys that I use, which was the foundation of the song, are these chords, these basic chords. And then I merge these keys with these other harmony, which goes like. So this is basically it's kind of like a octave above, so it gives you that width when you merge it with it, when you merge this with this. And then I layer this key. So these are the keys that I'm using. It's called Neon Bells by Analog Lab. It's a preset, and then you just play with the settings, get a good sound. This is what I've used. Yeah, makes it sound like that. Then what else you need is a groovy drum beat. So my friend Cameron, he agreed to record the drums for me, luckily, and then this is the drum that we use. So basically you need chords like that. You add a groovy drum pattern, So I'll mute the chords, I'll mute the drum in the beginning, then I'll play it. So without drums it's like. Now we add. Just want to keep hearing it. It's too brutal to pause, but gotta get on, gotta get on. So this is how it sounds with the drums and the keys and the synth and everything. And after that, let me show you a little bit about the bass. We don't have a such crazy bass tune here, but it's still goes like- So basically, like kind of syncing with the kick, adding to the groove, you know. Apart from this, I have like automated my drums by adding flanger to a return track, putting all these effects, phaser flanger, Ableton stock plugin. Then we put some saturation, some compression, then another Ableton stock plugin called large shimmer plate, and that gives you the compression and the flanger sound. So let me show you the flanger sound of the drums. This is what happens before the beat drops. So it goes like. So it like drops and then it's like another part comes up. But yeah, that's the basically the production aspect till this point of the song. Apart from that, let's move on to the vocals. For the vocals, I've used like layering, I've got like vocal 1, vocal 2, then there's the vocals that I've done from far away to add that reverb effect, and then I've like whispered some words, but that need to like cut through. And then I have a Vox local group also, low group, in which I'm just like singing the thing in a lower octave. So just like that to give it some weight, and then we layer that with the whispers. She runs away. I don't care. Then you have the far out. She runs away. I don't care if I. This is kind of like the supporting elements of the vocals till now, and after that you have the main vocals, and then overall it sounds like this. She runs away. I don't care if I forget. So that's me singing right there. But what I've done for this song, the vibe that I wanted to create, and I felt like the song kind of wanted it, was naturally it was like lots of delay and lots of vocal, lots of reverb, and that's what I've done. Maybe it could use with a little bit of less reverb or not, but we love reverb on Tame Impala-ish type sounds, some reverb, some delay like Kevin Parker does. So let me show you the effects I have on the vocal group. So in the single vocal channel, some EQing we have done from Pro Q4, just some easy EQing, nothing crazy. Adding some good frequencies at 8000 Hz, some compression. We use this plugin by Silk Vocals to add some mids and highs. Then we have some magma tubes for the analog saturation, adding harmonic sounds. And we have the Timeless from FabFilter. It's got delay at 350 seconds, feedback at 35, wet at full. So that's how you get that before delay. After delay. It just makes it sound big and more wider. Got some saturn, some saturation, and like a little bit of tuning. So basically that's the vocals, guys. And yeah, just remember to put some good delay on, put good reverb on. And there's the guitar solo, you know, which I've played. Let's solo it. Let's see how it sounds like. There's a lot of things happening at once, you know, and overall it creates that effect in the end. So for the guitar solo, I've used Guitar Rig preset. It's a plugin. The choice I took was BB Flow Lead. You know, I have these settings on: overdrive at 61, tone at almost 50. It's a raw vibe for the ampere. Then for the cabinet, I've set it at 50% cabinet, 50% drum, so that it doesn't sound too neat. Like if we go here, it's gonna go like. So that's how you give it more room. And yeah, this is a good you know, preset that I like. I've saved it, BB Flow Lead. Check it out. And after that, just some EQing, some compression, and then this is special, phaser flanger, which I've added from Ableton stock plugin. And these are the settings, but this is one of the crucial elements of creating this guitar sound. So without it, with it, so it gives it that psychedelic whirly whoosh kind of a feeling, more spacey, more analog. We have that, and then after that I have some reverb on, which is actually kind of like a big reverb. It's like 3 seconds because you want everything to come from far away, you know, because it's create that space sound, create that cloudiness, you know, Tame Impala-ish type. And yeah, that's basically it for the guitar solo, guys. I think we've almost covered all the elements, and sounds like this. So thanks for watching, guys. This is how you go about how to sound like Tame Impala-ish sound. Create your own sound, get original, just get near the territory, groovy drum beat, do parallel compression, get some synths, spacey pads, get some key fills, put vocals, add delay, reverb, basically. And yeah, you could get close, pretty closer, you know, and you don't need crazy synths, expensive stuff. You don't need crazy hardware. You could achieve all that I achieve with just basic setup and analog lab plugins and stuff, but I'm playing a real guitar. Apart from that, real drums and the bass has been put down from the electric guitar, octave down. But still, use what you have, and you may find yourself very near to the territory. And I hope you explore new territories. So that was it for today. Hope you had fun. Stay tuned for the next video. Thanks for watching.